Learn by projects. Log on www.ZEBJUS.com. Scroll down and find the topics. Click the Enroll button to start the learning. Use the dots on the left side of the page to jump to specific chapters. Before starting the learning, adjust the chapter section to your screen size. While watching the video tutorial, use the virtual tool on the left to write code at the same time. You can copy the code into the PyCharm project and try it out. Some chapters are premium. You can rent it through 100% secure gateway. Everything needed to do this project can be downloaded from the reference section. Wishing you the best for the future. Team ZEBJUS. www.zebjus.com